Paultons Park kindly invited me down 2 weeks before the official opening of Ghostly Manor to check out the ride and compare it to its bigger brother over in Europa Park in Germany. Will Paulton's first ever dark ride live up to the hype? Let's find out. The beautiful fountains here. Right, our first little walk through the Ghostly Manor queue. On the right hand side there, we've got one of the mirrors that are meant to be as one of the screens. I think the one just behind it's working currently. And you've got this beautiful little balancing act that was created in-house as per the construction update videos that I've been binging. And one of the stars of that particular video is literally walking behind me as we speak. Well. All the little ornate ornaments. Just a little swing just creepily rocking there. That's very cool. It's all got a lovely ambience, and all the planting and all the foliage is growing in like beautifully. Like it looks like it's been here a while. And then you've got obviously everything hanging through the top here as we get towards the main entrance. And for the first time, you're going to be walking inside Ghostly Manor. And I've just been told I'm officially the first person to be walking inside Ghostly Manor. Right, guys, so we've been told that no on-ride filming is allowed. Completely understand that. We've got to preserve it. It's very similar to what happened at Europa Park with Grand Prix Adventure. You've got to keep the mystery alive. But in terms of the pre-shows, we can show you everything that goes on inside Ghostly Manor before you step on the ride. I'm so excited. Let's get on in and check it out. It's like a lovely introduction. Lovely cabinets with all like ghosts and spirits trapped inside the little vials there. It's nice. It's that extra mile, it's that extra effort. Quite honoured to be asked to come down to be like the first person to ride it. I mean, it's quite special. I think it's probably because I went to Europa and did their version as well. It'll be great to see the comparisons between the two, but this is, I really like this. It's got a really good ambience to it, and at night time I think it'll be even more creepy, even more, you know, ominous and spooky, and that's great.
A formidable spirit who might just be the cause of this spectral crisis. He must be captured at all costs. Good luck. Track them swiftly in your phasers. But be warned, some ghosts will routinely here. Ghost hunter extraordinaire. Thank goodness you're there at my manor. I'm in dire need of your help.
Damage onto your vehicle and remain seated at all times. In the event of an evacuation, please follow the instructions. In the event of an evacuation, simply aim the phaser at a ghost and pull the trigger to fire. The best ghost hunter. Remember to remain seated. Hands and feet must remain inside the vehicle at all times. Begin.
Phantom Phaser Blaster right here. Ready to rock and roll? There's something strange in the neighborhood. I can't turn the camera out. I can't show any of it. I can't show any of it. I'm not allowed. It's so detailed. It's so detailed. I've got the Ghostly Manor scoreboard here. My daily high score right there, all-time high score. I'm the only person who's done it, so you gotta beat that. It's not gonna be too difficult. I was kind of filming like for the first couple of scenes. I'm just gonna come out and say it. That is the most immersive dark ride in the country, hands down.
Sean Evans would just like to clarify that in his excitement that he may have said some things in the heat of the moment that some would deem questionable. Sean Evans wishes to clarify that in terms of a hands-on gun-firing dark ride, that this is the best in its class, and this is in no way a blanket comment that covers all dark rides in the United Kingdom. Still, Ghostly Manor has no blank spaces, isn't half-assed and done on the cheap, and it looks goddamn amazing. Let's get on with the show.
Now, Europa Park with Grand Prix Adventure was very screen heavy. The guns were very big, lethargic. The scoring was quite slow. There was a lot of audio bleed. I feel as though the better Mack Rides gameplay theatre is right here at Paultons Park. Paultons Park, they don't half-arse anything, do they? They go above and beyond each and every single time, and Ghostly Manor is going to be fun for all the family, and it's going to be very, very re-rideable. That high scoreboard outside, you walk outside, someone's beat your high score, what do? You go around again to try and beat your score. The level of effort, immersion and detail that Paultons Park put into their rides is unparalleled in the UK. It really, really is. Ghostly Manor is an incredible ride here at Paultons Park, and I highly recommend you come check it out on May the 17th. And yeah, that's all I'm going to say on that one. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thanks to Paultons Park for having me out, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!